Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Elon Musk recently made a shocking prediction in the podcast with Nikhil Kamath where he mentioned in the future work for the humans will be optional, not because people would be lazy, but because AI and robotics will handle almost every job. So today's let's break down what he really means and how realistic this future is and what it means for us. Okay. So Elon Musk believes that advanced AI systems and humanoid robots will replace the majority of labor. He said humans will work only if they want to, not because they need money, or in his word he said work will be a choice, not an obligation. This sounds crazy, right? But let's just talk about it a little bit more. So what he actually said is, so to understand this prediction we need to look at the technology that has been already working with us and that has been already available to us, so such as humanoid robots, right? Like Tesla Optimus, that has been developed by Elon Musk only and his company basically. That is one example. And the other, we have factory automation that already produces cars almost without any human help, right? And then we have generative AI that is replacing entire categories of digital work. And then we have robotics plus AI fusion where machines can see, learn, and act, right? So the basic idea is basically the advancement that we are seeing in the AI and in the robotics, and the way we are mixing them together, it is again going to give us a very incredible future, and it is going to change the things in so many ways. Okay, now why work might become optional for us, as he mentioned in the podcast, right? So Elon's vision is very simple. If robots do the work and AI make decisions, then humans won't have to work to survive. And that is actually a good thing for us, because in that world, basic needs are extremely cheap, right? Energy is automated, production is automated, like all the robots will be helping, and we do not actually have to do anything like labor or anything like that, right? And services will be automated, right? So this is where the idea of universal high income comes from, not universal basic income, but society generating so much value that people naturally have abundance. So collectively, we will be having a very thriving society, and which will basically and as he talked about collective consciousness and the collective growth of the human civilization, so it will eventually give us a very advanced and uh, very progressive human society. So I think this is what he was trying to mention in the podcast. So now talking about how realistic this is, right? So let's be honest, the future, the way we are seeing the advancement in the AI and robots, and the future that he predicted is still a very far away, right? AI still makes so much mistake. Robots are very expensive at this time. Energy infrastructure needs massive upgrades, right? Government already working, and they are already rolling out so many policies to have to have these technologies work with humans. And so these are the problems that we can see right now, right? But but the thing is, look at the speed of AI in just the last 3 years. That is the other side, right? See how AI have just been developed in last 3 years. If we project that speed forward, Elon Musk ideas doesn't look impossible. And I do believe what he said, that human will be having an option to either work or to just stay at their home and doing something meaningful, right? I do believe this is the future of human civilization, because uh, like for us the next thing is not going to work but doing something very meaningful, in the sense of what he was talking about, energy and all that stuff. And he also did mention the currency, the new currency for human civilization would be energy, not the money, right? And which I actually agree upon, right? Um, Now, my final question to you guys is like, if robots handle everything and work will become truly optional, would you still choose to work? Would you live a completely different life where you would like to live at your place and you will be having so much help from your robots and from AI, and you can actually do something meaningful, right? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're first time coming to this channel, please subscribe the channel.